Good morning. It is January 27th, 2025, and this is our daily devotion. Godly contentment. Not that I speak from want, for I have learned to be content in whatever circumstances I am. Philippians 4:11. Instead of complaining at his lot, a contented man is thankful that his condition and circumstances are no worse than they are. Instead of greedily desiring something more than the supply of his present need, he rejoices that God still cares for him. Such an one is content with such as he has. A.R. Pink. Help us, Lord, to know contentment and to live so that others might come to know the same peace that comes only from knowing and trusting you for our daily supply. Amen.